Hey guys, this is Karol here with another affiliate marketing video. And today I wanted to shoot this quick video for you. It's going to be a little bit different than the ones we did before. Today I want to discuss kind of like the truth behind affiliate marketing, where is it heading, and whether or not this is something you should actually get involved in, or it is a completely dead thing. Now, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want some guidance on how to actually build your own profitable business, then I have a completely free video where I talk about all of that in great detail. So if you want that, just click the link in the description below and you will get it instantly. Now guys, before we get into our today's topic, if you are not yet subscribed of the channel, consider subscribing, as it really helps build and grow my channel. And after the video, if you like the video and you want to ask something or you have some comments, leave them down below, give me thumbs up, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm pushing the YouTube video and the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get actually straight into it. So can you actually make some decent money with affiliate marketing or what? Or is it completely dead thing? The truth is that affiliate marketing is changing. Yes, it's not what it used to be 15-20 years ago. Back then, all you had to do was drive Facebook or Google ads, maybe for 10 cents, directly to the affiliate offer, and you would make some sales. Today, you cannot do it anymore. First of all, because Facebook and Google ads are not for 10 cents, but maybe for $1. And second of all, this method of driving traffic directly to the offer is just not working anymore. Now guys, before you close this video and watch something else, there are also some good news, alright? There are also good news. The truth is that yes, affiliate marketing as the whole marketplace is changing, but every change brings in some new opportunities, right? And the biggest opportunity over here is called content marketing, right? This is pretty much the number one marketing way nowadays. And kind of like, the best thing about content marketing is that you can actually make money completely for free. Now, what I mean by free is that you don't have to pay for the ads or promotions, all right? In order to make sales. I'm not talking about not investing into tools and education. That's something that you need to do in any business, and affiliate marketing is not an extension, all right? You have to invest into it. I don't want to get involved into too much into this topic, but you cannot build a skyscraper using hammer and a nail, right? You're going to need some heavy machinery. So, I have other videos where I talk about this topic in great detail. So if you want, you can check them on my channel. But here I just wanted to stress out that yes, you don't, or you are going to, make money without using paid ads or promotions. All right, guys. And generally speaking, the people you acquire organically, all right, with this way, are generally speaking of higher quality than the ones you would acquire with paid ads. And the reason behind that is that these people, you already built a relationship and a connection with them, and you gained their trust. Now, how do you do that? And that's by giving out information, essentially free information, free content, right? People love information, more so if it is for free. So you leveraging social media, just like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all of these other social media out there, you give value out there, and you kind of like build a brand around yourself. And thanks to that, you connect and build a relationship with these people, and essentially later on you gain their trust. Now, yes, it is a little bit slower than with any other method, than with paid ads. Of course, it's going to be a little bit slower, but it's going to be better for you in the long term, because now you gain this trust with these people, and it's going to be easier for you to later on sell them other things, all right, other products, because they already have this relationship and trust with you, So pretty much, when these people are going to buy from you something, they already have this trust with you, all right? They already have that trust that, okay, I trust this person, he is giving me a tremendous number or amount of information and valuable information, all right? And now when they buy from you, okay, they're going to even make this trust even deeper, right? And later on it's going to be easier for you to sell other products, or sell other similar products or complementary products or alternatives to these people, because they already have this trust with you. They already bought some product from you, that it worked. Obviously you need to make sure that you are promoting and selling these people good products that are actually valuable and is going to, you know, help them. Of course, if you're going to sell them some crappy products, you're not going to gain their trust, of course, right? So make sure you are promoting actually good products and valuable products. So now, you know, they bought this product, they know that, okay, I have this experience with this person, he's giving me every single day, you know, great information, valuable information, plus, you know, I bought this product, I have the experience that this was good product, now he's recommending me a product, another product that might help me, I'm going to buy it way easier, all right? It's going to be way easier for you to convert these people because they have this relationship with you and you gained their trust. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it, why affiliate marketing or content marketing is so powerful. And you know, affiliate marketing is just a way how to actually leverage it. So as you can see, affiliate marketing is pretty much more alive than ever before. It's pretty much one of the fastest growing industries out there. There are billions of dollars in that, right, in affiliate marketing. So you know, you personally can get just a slice of it and you're going to be really good, right? So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some aha moments, hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you liked the video, all right? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, all right? And listen, guys, again, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want some guidance on how to actually build your own affiliate marketing business, then I have a completely free video which I can send you right now. If you are interested in that, okay, and you can get it in the description below. It's the first link over there and you will get that guidance from me over there, all right? So if you opt in for that, I will see you inside of that video, and if not, completely fine. Enjoy the rest of your week and I will see you in the next videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.